Hello everyone, my name is Joy Crossingham. I'm the owner of LashJoy Academy, LashJoy Supplies, Brisbane Lashes and Lash Dolls Boutique in Australia. I'm so excited to be invited to this year's first ever Volume Lash Conference and competition held in Tokyo, Japan. At this conference, I'll be talking to you all about lash bugs, lash mites, eye conditions, cleansing techniques to make sure your clients are getting the best service from you possible, and also they leave feeling educated after they've seen you for their eyelash appointment. A little bit about myself: I've been lashing for 10 years. I'm an award-winning master lash stylist, and I've been a trainer for quite a number of years. I've held over 150 training events and trained thousands of students so far, and we've just opened our first ever online course for Classic Lash Mastery and Volume Lash Mastery for the LashJoy Academy. I'm so looking forward to seeing all of you, and especially meeting up with some of my past students in Tokyo, Japan. See you soon!